Today we will be reviewing the removal and installation process for the HP LaserJet Pro M401 and M425 fuser maintenance kit. Part number for that is RM1-8808, and there is no maintenance kit from the OEM, so the aftermarket's been using RM1-8808-MK. We'll be using the 401 for our demo machine, and the process will be both on both models. So we will start by approaching the machine from the front, pulling the toner access door down, removing the cartridge. We're going to go remove the transfer roller. First from the left, or first from the right, and then from the left. Next, we're going to move to the pickup roller. Now we're going to have to move the cradle out of the way to expose the set pad below it. So we're just going to shift it off to the left. Pry the set pad out using a flathead or a needle nose. And reinstall the new set pad. Couple of repair notes on this is I'll include the maintenance kits, parts, and in the contents of the blog post or video below. You'll see the number of items, part numbers, all that'll be listed in there. Next, we'll be moving on to the set pad that's in tray 2. There's also no page count reset instructions for this printer, as the printer doesn't track maintenance at all. So you'll just reinstall these parts and fuser and be ready to go. Moving on to the pickup roller. We're going to put the printer on its rear, exposing the roller, and there are these white tabs both on the left and the right side. We're going to rotate them to expose the roller axle to the open portion. And then move to the right. Kind of hard to pick on the video, but I'll show you once the roller's removed. There's a kind of a half moon on both sides that you're trying to work with. Reinstall and then rotate the tabs to secure the roller. Moving on to the fuser, we're going to remove both the left and right covers using a flathead. Just pry them open. And that exposes the Phillips head screws that hold the rear cover. Two on the left, three on the right. which exposes the fuser. We're going to remove the fuser connectors from the board using a tweezers or needle nose. You may want to take a picture of this prior to the removal so you feel more comfortable where they go when you reinstall. So a single Phillips head on the black fuser cover. And that just pulls off. A couple more connectors. Moving on to the left side, there's 3 gears that need to be removed. Just pull a little, pinch the little tabs to release them off the axle. And then there are 2 Phillips heads. Got the large AC connector, your final connector. Fuser should just come right out, pull straight back, and to reinstall, just reverse the procedure. Just pivot to the left and the right to reinstall. Your installation is similar to the pickup rollers. You want to push until you hear a click or feel a click, and then just pull back a little bit just to make sure it is secure. Okay, so the cover's misaligned a little bit. We're just going to pull back on the screws to give us a little Now moving on to the left and right covers replacement. So start from the front and then work towards the back. On the left side, start from the rear, work towards the front. Just check the seams, make sure they do line up. This one needs to be reworked a little bit. And double check your seams. Make sure it is lined up, and then replace the tread. Pretty decent sized job. Really not designed for end users, more of a technician replacement. That is it. So if you enjoy these videos, please click like and subscribe, and we will be sure to make more of them. And be sure to visit us online at metrofuser.com. Thank you.